Kevin Ray from Peterborough Chocolatier, and today we're going to teach you how to make a chocolate rose. To make a chocolate rose, we're going to start with modeling chocolate. Now we've already made this, and it's a very simple recipe of half a cup of corn syrup to 1 pound of chocolate. To make it, you just mix it together, and you're going to knead it like bread. You're doing this to warm it up, make it pliable. Now our chocolate's ready to work with. I'll take a piece that I can work with on my tray and begin to roll it out. Now if the chocolate sticks to your rolling pin, you can use a little bit of cocoa powder to keep it from sticking on there. Okay, now we have our desired thickness. We're ready to start cutting out our circles. Use any small circle cookie cutter. Okay, you'll need anywhere from 9 to 12 circles to make your rose. Okay, we'll set the rest of the modeling chocolate aside. We can knead this and keep using it. Now that we have our circles cut, you want to gently flatten them out slightly more with your fingers, and then you're going to start to roll across to form your rose bud. That's the start of our rose. We're going to flatten one end of the circle and begin to roll it around your rosebud. Now we're going to add our next rose petals. And continue to flatten out half your circles for the petals. Okay? And continue until you're happy with the shape of your rose.